I'm going to show you how to multiply 3-digit numbers by 1-digit numbers. So again, we'd start off by using our place value grid. And as I said in the previous video, using the place value grid, the children are very familiar with these. You can use absolutely anything in a place value grid. In school, we use Dean's or base 10. They're called, they've got two different names, but they're actually the same thing. And that's where you've got your little cubes and your little rods. Or you can use place value counters. But you can use absolutely anything. So you can use pasta, you can use little toys, you can use anything that you have got at home that is going to be useful. So here we've got our ones, our tens, and our hundreds. Okay, and the calculation that I'm going to be looking at is going to be 245 times 4. Okay, so I'm going to use triangles on here. Okay, you can use any shape, but I would avoid using circles because it can confuse the children. They think it's a 0. All right, so I need to make sure that I have got 245 4 times. Okay, so that's 245. 3, 4, 5, and I'm going to repeat that 4 times. Okay, and then we just need to double check with the children that we have got 245 4 times. So 245, and we're checking each line really carefully, and we've got it 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Okay. Now the children know that when we're using our place value columns, we can't have more than 9 in any column. Okay, so when we add them up, I'm only allowed to have 9, so anything else can move. Okay, so I'm going to add them up. I'm going to put them into groups of 10, because if I group my ones into a 10, I can then move it over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and another 5 make 10, so that means that's going to go over here. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus another 5, that's going to move over here. That means they've moved. I've got nothing left in there because I had 5 add 5 is 10, that moved. 5 add 5 is 10, that moved. Okay, all right, so I've got nothing left here. Okay, and we'll repeat the process with our tens column. So again, group them in tens if we can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So all those are going to go together, and it's going to go over here because 10 tens are 100. 10 lots of 10 is 100. So we're moving it into the right column. Okay, and then what have I got left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm allowed 8 in there, so that's what I've got left. Okay, lovely. And then we see what we've got left in here. Have I got 10 or have I got less? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm allowed 9 in there. So actually my answer is 980. Brilliant. Okay. Don't forget to cross that out because I've done with that group. Okay. Now when moving to 3-digit by 1-digit multiplication, we encourage the children to move towards the short formal method when they're ready. So using our place value grid is we need to start there so that they are confident. They've been confident using this method when they've been multiplying a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number. So we need to make sure that we use the same method so that they confidently can see, well, actually it's the same process. I'm just now multiplying by a 3-digit instead of a 2-digit, but then we're going to, alongside, do the short column method at the same time. So we'll keep the column headers, so that links quite nicely and makes it really clear with what they're doing. And we're going to do the 245, and we're going to multiply that by the 4. Okay, and I'm not expanding it this time. So in the previous method, when we were doing a 2-digit number by a 1-digit method, we expanded it out, okay? But because we're dealing with a 3-digit number, we want them to try and use this method, okay? So we start off in the smallest column. So 4 lots of 5, 4 times 5 is 20. We write the 0 down from the 20, there's no 1s, and we carry the 2 because it's 2 10s. Okay, now if it helps, you can draw that second line underneath there straight away, so you're separating out those numbers. So we always start in the smallest column first. So we start here. So 4 times 5 is 20, 0 down, no 1s, carry the 2 10s. 4 by 4, that is our next one. We go here next. 4 times 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, plus the 2, okay, is 18 10s, 18 10s. We can't write 18 in the one column, okay, so we can write 8 in the 10s, and we're going to carry that one over into the hundreds, okay, just like we did here, okay. And now we're going to go to our hundreds, and we do 4 times 2, lots of 100, 4 times 200. 4 times 2 is 8, plus that one, okay, is 900, okay. So 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 4 is 16, plus that 2 is 18. There's the 18. And then 4 times 2 is 8, plus that 1 is 9, 980.